Hi guys, my name is Naveed from TechSoft System. Nowadays, many business owners are facing the issues that their Google My Business profile has been suspended or disabled. Basically, Google has started its crackdown against the fake listings on Google Maps. Many businesses, they have registered their company on multiple fake locations where they don't have their physical addresses. That's why Google has started its crackdown. Now they are asking for the documents in which their company name and the business address should be same as they registered on Google Maps. So you guys should have these documents, otherwise Google will not reinstate your listing. So let's start. I will guide you step by step that how you can reinstate your listing. To reinstate the Google My Business profile, first we have to go to the Google and then we will type Google My Business. It will show you this page. Right now you can see that this says not publicly visible and you can see an mark here, warning sign here. When I click on view profile, you can see that you cannot, it says that your access has been suspended because of any reason. So for that we will click on learn more. It will take you to this page and then you have to scroll down to the very bottom, and basically they are giving you the requirement which we need for the appeal. Basically we need any kind of official document or business license, tax certificate or any kind of utility bill in which the company name and the address should be the same which is on your Google My Business profile. In our case, you can see that this is our address and this is our company name. So we have to upload a document which have the same name and same address for the business. For that, if you scroll down to the very bottom, you will click on this submit and appeal, and after clicking on this we will just have after starting this we will just have 60 minutes to upload all those documents. So right now this is my listing. I will select this one and profile ID is this, then click on continue, and you can see that it says eligible for appeal. You only got one chance to submit an appeal. If your appeal got rejected, then you will not able to make any kind of appeal again. So make sure that you have the right documents for the appeal. Then click on continue. Okay, as you can see that right now they says evidence need to be added within 60 minutes. So I will start appealing, submit, then click on add evidence. Now there's this is our email, business name, address, business profile, everything is same. Now here we have to upload our document. So I will select on choose file. Now the document has been uploaded. Now in this section they are asking to add information that why should we reinstate your listing, so you can answer according to your requirement. So now I have added my context that why Google should reinstate my listing. Now in the next line they are saying, are you requesting for reinstatement of more than 10 locations? No. Then click on this tick mark, so you will get feedbacks from the Google, and then click on submit. Now our request has been submitted. So that's it guys. Google will respond to you normally within 3 to 5 days. They can give you the reply that whether it's approved or not. You only got one attempt. If your listing is not approved, then you're not able to reinstate that listing again. And if you guys need any kind of help in reinstate your listing, contact us at techsoftsystem.com. So we will help you with that as well. Thank you so much.